peeps, welcome to another video. Today it's something a little bit different. I've seen this infographic, this meme, this post going around on the Facebook community quite a lot, and I thought it is so correct and can totally be applied to your favourite YouTubers. So here is my thoughts on how you can support your favourite creators to ensure that they can continue doing the things that you love them to do, the videos, the tutorials, all that good stuff. The first and obvious thing is if your favourite creator offers a product or merchandise and you can afford it and you like it, then buy the product or merchandise. I have quite a few friends who are musicians and they have released their music on iTunes. I have bought their albums. I have friends who are artists, so I have commissioned them to draw pictures for me of either myself in my bunny outfit, I can't remember where that picture is, but it's around somewhere, or things like that. So whichever way I can support, and especially if I like the product that the creator is offering, then I will try and financially invest in that creator, because that is a guaranteed way of getting them to make more content for you to enjoy. That is a very obvious one, and that is a very direct way of supporting your favourite creator. Now, they may not offer a product, but they may have a Patreon page, and if they do, supporting them on their Patreon page is another great way of ensuring that the YouTube channel that you love will continue to grow and be able to bring you the content that you love. As you all know, I have my own Patreon page, and there is a great group of you guys that are supporting me on there, and I offer tiers from $1 all the way up to $150. So the $150 tier is your very own penny in, made to your custom specifications by yours truly, and the $1 tier is a grateful thank you for your support and also your name mentioned in my Patreon dedicated video, which usually is the monthly sew along. I'm getting there, I'm catching up. I have a great group of people that are supporting me on there, and it is a large part of my income, which is incredibly amazing of every single one of you. Now, I have over 13,000 subscribers at this point in time, which to me absolutely blows my mind. And if all of you donated just $1 a month, that would be utterly amazing. Now, I know that's not going to happen. It's one of those things that if you like a creator, as I do, I support about 6 or 7 different creators on Patreon myself. I am a patron of theirs, and some of them I support with a $1 per month pledge. Some of them it's slightly higher because there are rewards that I would like, but it's something that I want them to continue making videos. I want to financially help them as much as I am able. Now, I realise that not everybody is going to be able to do that, and that's not a problem. I have other ways for you guys to support your favourite creators as well. So the next one is a website called Ko-fi. Ko-fi is a one-off donation website, which you can donate the price of a cup of coffee, which I think is around £3.50 or the equivalent in your local currency. Those can be one-off donations. So say, for example, you want to support a creator but you can't afford, or you can't guarantee that you'll be able to afford the same amount every month for a Patreon pledge. Ko-fi is a great way of doing one-off donations which go straight to your favourite creator and help them. And again, I have used this service. I have supported different people through Ko-fi when I wasn't making as much money as I am now, so I wasn't one of the ones where I could guarantee that I could pledge on Patreon, but I wanted to be able to send you know, a cup of coffee here and there when I could, and I really like that service. We've gone through all the different ways that you can support your favourite creator if you have money to spend and want to spend it on their particular products. What happens if you love the particular creator but you don't have the ability currently to support them financially? Well, the same applies for the Facebook post. It does apply for YouTube and Instagram as well. Watching the videos obviously helps, but once you've watched that video, you know how all creators are doing the call to action. So hit the thumbs up button, please subscribe, all those things. Subscribing and interacting on your favourite creators' videos shows YouTube that they have an audience that is engaged with their videos, and YouTube will then recognise that and offer their videos to more and more people. The algorithm, that all-important algorithm that's forever changing and nobody really understands. Subscribing is a brilliant way of showing support, and watching videos is another brilliant way of showing support. But once you've watched that video, hitting that thumbs up button is a way of showing that there is interaction and engagement, and you can go one step further than that and you can actually comment. And now a lot of the times when I make my videos, I will try and put in a question or something that so I can get your answers in the comment section down below. And commenting is another great way of showing the algorithm that you are enjoying this content and you're interacting with this content. So comments can be, as I say, sometimes I will pose questions in my vlogs and videos so that you guys can specifically answer that question. Sometimes I don't do that. Sometimes, as you know, it's a rambly stream of consciousness from me, otherwise known as waffle. And for those ones, Nancy has started doing this. Nancy started doing this a long time ago, and I've introduced it to my mum as well. If you don't have anything to say towards the video specifically, if there's no question being asked and you just enjoyed it, but you know there's nothing that you're like, I must burningly leave this comment, just leave a little heart emoji or a smiley emoji. Just some kind of comment, again, is interaction on the video that the algorithm likes, and the algorithm will take that video and go, oh, people are interacting with this, let's show it to more people. And then of course you can also share the video if you think that your friends and family or the place that your subscribers or your followers would enjoy that content. You can share the video that you've enjoyed with your following. Yeah, I said this was going to be a really short video, so it's one of those things that I see this info, like I say, infographic, this picture, this kind of guideline popping up on Facebook all the time, and loads of people like it and agree with it and share it, so I thought I would do the same for YouTube. So if you can't support them financially by buying the merchandise or their products or supporting them on Patreon or buying them a cup of coffee every now and again, you can still be an integral part of their audience, and they need you. I need you. So subscribe, hit that like button and leave a comment. Even if it is just a heart emoji, it makes the world of difference, I promise. I do read all of my comments and they all get a little heart from me, apart from obviously the rude ones, but thankfully I don't get very many of those. But I have to tell you, even the thumbs down and the rude comments still class as interaction for the algorithm, so you know they're actually helping rather than hurting. But no more rude comments, thank you. It got to a point where it was becoming a full-time job to try and keep up and answer all the comments in a meaningful way. So now all the comments from me get a little heart, which I don't think I've ever done this in my life, so I think I've got that right. They all get a little heart from me, and then if there are any questions, I do try and answer those in the next couple of days' vlogs or waffles. So yes, the comments do get read and they are incredibly appreciated. So I hope you have enjoyed this video. I know it's a little bit different. I know it's something that's I don't usually cover. It's one of those things that I saw the picture and it's just been ticking away in the back of my mind, and I thought, yeah, why not? Let's give it a go. So fingers crossed you enjoyed it, and if you did, hit that like button. If you haven't yet, please subscribe, and I will see you again very soon. Bye!